Hi everyone, in this video I am going to share my most predicted MCQs in physics for your upcoming NEET 2022 exams guys. In our channel, I have been doing this job consistently for the past 2 years, both in NEET 2020 as well as 2021, and I am very happy for the results because many questions from my predictions directly coming in the NEET examinations. Last year also, NEET 2021, almost 7 questions, I have the record, 7 questions from my predictions came in NEET 2021 exam. If you want to check it, so go check my YouTube channel NEET Strategies in Tamil. You will be having most predicted MCQs physics NEET 2021 and compare it with the NEET 2021 physics question paper, and you will come to know there are 7 questions directly from that video. So with the same hope, I am starting this video, most predicted MCQs in physics for NEET 2020 exams. But before starting, I have to tell you one thing. I am Sudarshan. I am not working in National Testing Agency. I am just sharing my prediction for the NEET 2020 exam based on the previous year analysis as well as my knowledge about the exam, and definitely I can't give you guarantee about the appearance of these questions in your upcoming NEET 2022 exam. I am also not a question paper setter. I too genuinely don't know the questions in your 2022 exams, but the intent of giving these questions is to make sure the student before attending the exam, they have to be very strong in the upcoming topics, upcoming subtopics, because consistently the NEET examiners are testing these topics in the previous years. So this is the main intent of this video. So the take home message is, a NEET aspirant watching this video, after this video you should go and prepare MCQs from these topics and get stronger in these topics at least before the exam, and if the questions appear, I will be the most happiest person guys. So with this thing, let's start today's video. I am Sudarshan, a 3rd year MBBS student studying in Government Road Medical College, Tamilnadu. Welcome back to my channel. If you have not subscribed my channel, kindly subscribe it and hit the bell icon. Straight away, let's get started. For you guys, and okay, camera right guys. Okay. In this slide, I have listed all the questions. In total, I have took 36 questions for this year. Let me show one by one guys. This is the first question guys. We can expect an instrument based MCQ in your upcoming exam. So there are primarily 2 instruments in physics, screw gauge as well as vernier calipers. Consistently the NEET examiner is asking instrument based questions every year in the NEET examinations. So I want you guys to prepare 2 types, mainly screw gauge and vernier calipers. This is the best example to show you the importance of screw gauge question. It's one of the previous year questions, so kindly make note. They are asking pitch of the screw gauge here. So this is the question based on screw gauge. The answer for this question is straight away in front of you, and we are having the second model, that is vernier calipers also. So this is the question and this is the explanation for this question. So this is the first question guys. The second question is dimension analysis. If you can analyze the recent trend of the NTA for the past 3 years, NTA is keen on asking questions from dimensions and the dimension analysis. So this is one of the example to help you to know the dimension analysis. Many students think that this is very easy question, but actually if you go and solve the question, it will be difficult for you. So kindly don't be careless in this question. Go and solve every type of questions possible in dimension analysis. This is a consistent question for the past 3 years. So make sure dimension analysis is in your fingertip. Okay, this is the explanation for this question, and this is the second model for dimension analysis. Another question, elastic modulus topic la ndirukku. This is from mechanical properties of solids chapter. So to be more specific, they are asking Young's modulus guys. Every year they are asking Young's modulus. They can also ask bulk modulus and shear modulus also. So kindly make note, in the question neenga miss panna kodadhu. So this is the explanation solution for this question. And next guys, we are going for the most repeated question of the physics, that is logic gates. Every year they are not missing this question guys. So this is one of the model. They have given the gate and they are asking the truth table for this gate. You have to select one among the 4, and this is the explanation for this question. And the second model also, they are giving a gate here and they are asking you what this resultant gate is all about. And then this is one second model, and I have also presented the third model for you. This type of model is asked in 2021 examinations. They have given this graph in the question and they have asked what type of gate is this graph represents. Okay, so these are the 3 models that I wish you guys to practice in the logic gates question. Okay, so the third topic is over. Now we are going for the next one, that is Young's double slit experiment guys. Okay, it's a very important topic in the physics. So this is also one of the most repeated topic, Young's double slit experiment. This is first model from this topic. You can go through it. It's just a direct formula based question. questions, you can just understand it. This is the second model. It's little bit advanced compared to the first question, how to think more to solve this question, okay? And this is the third model, which is based on intensity, guys. So maxima, minima, you have to find out the intensity of the resultant. So make sure you practice this question, okay? Now we are going for the next most repeated question, that is series LCR circuit, guys, okay? So last year I failed to mention, it was in my mind, but I failed to mention in the video, so sorry for that. This year also I am expecting series LCR circuit in the upcoming exam. So make sure this is one of the most typical question. You have to be, the series LCR circuit should be in your fingerprint. They are asking direct question from it. You have to substitute the formula, you have to apply the formula, and you have to substitute the values, and you will be getting the answers instantaneously, guys, okay? It will be the very easier question. So kindly make sure you know this formula, tan phi is equal to XL by R, and everything in your fingertip means that nobody can save you from getting 4 marks from series LCR circuit topic. And the next topic of today is radioactive nucleus, radioactivity of a nucleus. It's very important. They are asking half-life of radioactive nucleus, guys, consistently every year. One of the most repeated topics. So make sure this is model number 1, and this is the only model I have shared in you. Go and refer more type of models from this topic, radioactivity of nucleus, guys. It's very important. And next most important, graph based questions, guys. Every year they are asking graph based questions in physics. So this is one of the template. The graph based questions may be from gravitation. I am telling the chapter, make note of it. Go and practice graph based MCQs in the particular chapters, guys, especially gravitation, electrostatics, electrostatic potential, as well as electric charges and fields. And third chapter is magnetic effects of electric current, moving charge and magnetism, they will tell you. No? So these 4 chapters are very important, and consistently graphical based questions are coming from these 4 chapters. So your job after this video is to go and check the MCQ solving book of these 4 chapters, and make sure you will be practicing all the graphical based questions, guys, in these 4 chapters, okay? Pakka. This question is from, I think so, this is from magnetic effects of electric current, and then this question is from the electric charges and fields. And next, this is also the answer for that question, and this is also something electrostatic potential, the third chapter, electrostatic potential. And final question, I have missed taking a question from gravitation. Kindly go and check it out, gravitation based question, okay? And next one, guys, dynamics of rotational motion in a fixed axis. One of the most repeated topic in the NEET exam. This is also very important. Rotational motion, they are asking consistently 3 to 4 questions every year. So I will ask all the students to go through rotational motion. If you have already studied the chapter, just go through all the MCQs in your MCQ solving book, because they can ask MCQ from any topic of the chapter. So kindly go through the entire chapter, but to be more specific, don't miss this topic. Rotational motion in a fixed axis is very important. So this question helps you to give you some idea, but go through all the type of problems from this topic, okay? The next topic is rolling motion, guys. They are also consistently asking the rolling motion topic every year. So kindly make sure rolling motion is a simple question. You have to apply your mind and solve the question, and easily you can get +4 marks, guys, without any mistakes, okay? The previous topic is also a little bit difficult, but this topic is very easy if you can know the formula and apply it in the examinations, okay? So now with this, we are moving for the next question, that is photoelectric effect. This is from the dual nature of radiation matter chapter. It's very important. So make sure you are practicing formulas in this chapter, guys. Dual nature, atoms, nuclei is primarily based on formulas. Your formula should be in your fingertip. So make sure you practice it before your exams and go through the formula sheet just before the exam. Photoelectric effect is very important, and just apply the formula in a situation. You will be getting the answer eventually, okay? Graphical based question from the photoelectrons, photoelectric effect. Go through it. And next topic is de Broglie wavelength, guys. Very important. Lambda is equal to h by mv. Very simple, but you have to apply your mind. You have to correlate, and you have to change the formulas again and again to get the answers. So kindly practice more number of questions, more types of questions in this topic to get good brilliance in this topic, guys, okay? Kindly practice more models, more types of question, okay? And the next question is from tuning fork frequency waves chapter. So it's very important. 2 types of question we can expect from waves. One is related to the tuning fork frequency related thing, amplitude, everything they can ask. And the next model is all about, this is the second model in tuning fork. Just go through it. I have given you the answer also. And the next type of question from waves is organ pipes. It may be closed pipe or open organ pipe. I have discussed in detail about about this topic in my NEET Strategies Tamil Lab physics course in a crash course as well as in complete course. I have discussed the questions based on organ pipe and the formulas regarding this. So if you are in my physics crash course or physics complete course in my NEET Strategies Tamil Lab, just go and watch most predicted MCQs in each chapter. It will be really helping you in the last moment, guys. It will help you to give you the complete revision of whole chapter through MCQs as well as formula revision videos. Okay, so it will be of great help for you. Now with this we are moving ahead for the next topic, that is dielectric based dielectric capacitors and energy stored in it, because consistently they have been asking the capacitors, combination of capacitors every year. So definitely one question is guaranteed from capacitance. Last year I think 2 to 3 questions they have asked directly from capacitors. So this year also we can expect some questions from capacitors. So make sure you are practicing it, both combination of capacitors as well as energy stored in capacitors as well as dielectric slab or dielectric medium in the capacitors. Any model they can ask. Kindly practice the whole topic as a whole. Okay guys, this is one of the example. So I have placed parallel plate capacitor, dielectric medium, this model, guys. So this is the answer, and this is the combination of capacitors and the energy stored in it. So note down. So this is the answer. And the next topic is surface tension, guys. This is from mechanical properties of fluids chapter. One model is from capillary tube raise, capillary filling. So this topic is very important. We can expect this question. Last year they didn't ask capillary tube based question, so this year definitely we can expect capillary tube based question for NEET 2022, guys. So make sure you are practicing all the problems based on this topic. Okay, multiple models is very essential. And next the topic is from the surface tension. They can ask from soap bubble also. Last year I think so one of the question was from soap bubble in different chapter, work energy power. So this year we can expect soap bubble from this chapter also. So go through. It's very important. Okay, so this is the complete solution for this question. Now we are going for the ray optics chapter. In ray optics chapter there are many questions possible. They can ask you telescope or microscope also, but I am concentrating more on total internal reflection and critical angle. I don't know why my mind is keep on repeatedly telling total internal reflection and critical angle question is very important for you. So this question will give you overall idea. If you can solve this question in this topic, you can definitely answer all the other models in this topic also in this topic. So kindly go through. This question is very important. It is having multiple twists and turns. So go through this question very carefully. This is one of the most important question. I have shared the solution also, so just go through it. Okay, thermodynamic process is the next question. So guys, I don't know why NEET examiners are liking this topic very much. Every year they are consistently asking a question from thermodynamic process, especially adiabatic, isothermal, isochoric, isobaric, like that. So they will be giving I have in the last year prediction video I have shared a graph. So graphical based question we can expect, I told in the last video. Similarly they have asked in the NEET exam a graphical based question regarding thermodynamic process. So make sure it's very important. Definitely you should work on it, thermodynamic process. Okay, so this is very important question, guys. So I have shared you the graph also. Next question is from the same thermodynamic chapter, efficiency of heat engine. We can expect a Carnot's engine efficiency as well as a refrigerator. Refrigerator is not asked in the recent years, but make sure for the safety purpose you practice refrigerator based MCQs also, as well as Carnot's engine, especially efficiency as well as the work done based subtopics based problems in this topic. Okay, now the next question is degree of freedom. It is from the kinetic theory of gases, guys. Degree of freedom is the most favorite question for the NEET examiner. In NEET 2019 I have the personal experience. I have solved this question instantaneously at the exams because I have practiced more models in this topic, guys. I have solved many models in this particular topic that made me to answer very fluently, very easily in the NEET exam. So kindly practice more models, because this type of questions are a bit confusing and makes you to commit mistake. So kindly make sure you practice more type of models in this topic. Okay, degree of freedom, mean free path. They will tell this topic is mean free path also. Okay, and in the SHM oscillations, velocity and acceleration in SHM topic is very important. They are checking it consistently. So velocity and acceleration SHM is very important. If you can practice all the topics in this SHM, it's very important. They can ask from scratch also. They can ask from any part of the chapter. So make sure you are practicing all the models, all the questions in this chapter, guys. It's very important. We can expect definitely one question from this topic. So make sure you are doing it. Now the question is from electric dipole, guys. In the previous last two years, they are concentrating more on electric dipole. NTA is keen on electric dipole. So kindly practice some advanced models in electric dipole. They are not asking it very easily. They are asking little bit advanced type of model. So kindly make sure angles are very important. Here angles cos 90, cos 45 or sin 90, sin 45 plus or minus. So make sure you are very well versed with the angles as well as sign, guys, positive or negative signs. Okay, it's very important. So most of the students commit mistake here, guys. Okay, W is equal to PE cos theta 1 theta 2 cos minus cos theta 1 cos theta 2. So getting confused. So make sure you are clear cut in this topic. So this is the solution for this question. Make sure you are very clear cut and intelligent in this question. Okay, the next question is electric potential energy, guys. It's very important. Kindly make sure you are not missing this question. So this square type of question is a typical questions was asked in the previous years. So make sure you are clear cut in this complete potential, electric potential energy, guys. Okay, and the question from current electricity is, I am liking this year I am expecting a question from effective resistance, combination of resistors. So either they can ask from combination of capacitors or combination of resistance. Either of the question will be definitely in the question paper. So note down, we can expect this type of questions, effective resistance type of questions consistently every year. Okay, so make sure you are doing it and connect this resistance with the resistivity also, guys. So there is a formula connecting resistance as well as resistivity with the temperature, no? So go through that formula. R is equal to rho L by A is also very important. Make sure you are practicing it. Okay, and next, color code of resistors, guys. This color code of resistors was asked in NEET 2020 and this was missed in NEET 2021 and maybe we can expect in 2022. So make sure you are knowing it. I think most of you know the mnemonic, right, guys? BB Roy of Great Britain. Yes, you tell this. Yes, super. If possible, comment, you mention this in the comment. Okay, and the next question is equilibrium of particle from the Newton's laws of motion, guys. This topic I have discussed in detail. I have explained you with the tricks in my NEET strategies Tamil physics course. It's very important to understand this wedge, guys. Wedge based problems are really important. So you have to solve it from every ends and everything is very simple. This diagram is very simple if you understand and learn from the proper method, guys. Okay, I have explained you in the NEET physics course. Kindly note down, if those who are in the physics course, just go and watch the video and you will be understanding it till the core, guys. Okay, will be understanding. I have explained in short period of time. You can make sure use it and solve many questions as much as possible. Equilibrium of particle in Newton's laws of motion, wedge based problems. Okay, and this is the next question. This question is based on the lift, acceleration, deceleration. So note down the lift based questions we can expect this year also. And the next question is from work energy theorem, guys. I have took one question intently from the work energy theorem. Work energy theorem is bit difficult to practice. So it looks like very easy, but if you go and try solving the question, it will be difficult for you. You will be in a confused state. So try to practice more models. So I am specifically telling you to solve more models in different in specific topic. So kindly go and solve many models in this question. So guys, very important, work energy theorem. So this is little bit difficult to practice and solve. So try your level best to make it as much as possible. Okay, and the next question is torque and angular momentum, guys. So this question is from rotational motion topic. This is one of the most important topic. So there will be fixed values for torque acting on the circular disc, circular ring and the rectangle, everything. So it's very important. You have to make sure you are remembering all the formulas. So revise the formula before your NEET exam or the morning of the NEET exam. So everything, the torque acting on it is very important. Acting to the center, acting at the sides, everything is very important. Moment of inertia, guys. This is called moment of inertia. Note down, moment of inertia is a very important topic. Okay, and next, this is also a second model regarding that. Okay, and the next question is gravity, acceleration due to gravity above and below the earth, guys. So above height h and below the earth in deep to the earth deep d. Okay, this is one of the model regarding the depth, gravity in the depth, guys. It's a direct substitution of formula. Nobody is going to harm you. So this question is very important if you know the formula and how to apply it in the question. Okay, it's very simple. And guys, next question I am expecting is from the error analysis, guys. Units and measurements got very important in the recent times. So error analysis they can ask this year also. So for the error analysis, this is the typical question, you have to solve it. So this is just a method. If you learn this one time, you can answer any type of question from the error analysis. So I have discussed how to solve these type of questions in the again NEET physics crash course. It's very important. So just go through it. I think I have justified it from my end in this topic. So just go through it. you will be knowing everything from the error analysis. Okay, and the next question is from the diffraction, guys. If they missed to ask from YDSE, Young's double slit experiment, we can expect a question from diffraction or from polarization. So make sure you are doing a question from diffraction also. The only thing different between YDSE and diffraction is the formulas, guys. You have to remember different formula here, different formula there. So don't get confused between the formulas. So this is the answer for this question. And the next question is hydrogen spectrum. Very, very important. This question is from the atoms, guys. You have to make sure Balmer series, Lyman series, just revise before the exam. And if you have the mnemonic, just have the mnemonic, bracket series, P1 series, everything. So keep that in your fingerprint and revise the formulas of atoms then and there possible. And don't make sure to miss this square, guys. During my practice I used to miss this square, so don't forget about the square. So just go and revise it as much as possible. N1, which is N1, which is N2, which is initial, which is final. Note down, very, very important. I think N1 is final. Okay, note down. And next question is rectifier from the semiconductor chapter, guys. So there are two types of rectifier, half wave rectifier, full wave rectifier. So go through, we can expect, this is optional thing, we can expect this question. So and this question is very, very important, guys. This is transistor. This is transistor based equation, very, very important. I am expecting this question, transistor. There may be CE transistor, or it may be CB transistor, common emitter mode, common base mode. So there you are going to find out current gain, voltage gain, everything here. So this is one of the example of transistor amplifier. So note down, this is also a very important question. Okay, and the next question is magnetic flux and magnetic EMF. They can ask this topic separately, or they can ask by applying this topic on the solenoid also, toroid also. Make sure you are doing it and fingertip in this topic, guys. Okay, so you have to remember a lot of formulas and you have to know how to apply these formulas in the examinations. Okay, so with this question, finally we are coming to the end of this video. So I have discussed total 36 topics in this question, guys, and I have marked some questions as very, very important in yellow, and red color is second most important and black color is third most important. I'm expecting these questions from my end. I'm again telling you, I am not a member of National Testing Agency. I am also just a senior of you. I have faced my NEET 2019 exam, and through my experience and previous year analysis of my knowledge, I have been taking these questions and giving it to you. So kindly practice these questions before the exam. This உங்களுக்கு ஒரு பிரதர் மாதிரி இருந்து இந்த क्वेश्चंसலாம் வரலாம்னு சொல்லிட்டு உங்களுக்கு ஒரு ஐடியா மட்டும் தான் கொடுத்திருக்கேன். So make sure இதுல இருந்து நீங்க போய்ட்டு MCQs பிராக்டீஸ் பண்ணா மட்டும் தான் எக்ஸாம்ல ஆன்சர் பண்ண முடியும். So இந்த டாபிக்ஸ்லாம் நோட் பண்ணிக்கோங்க, and you can download this PDF in Neet Strategies Tamil app. Go on Play Store, Neet Strategies Tamil app போய்ட்டு you can download the complete PDF of this session with the solutions for each questions in the Neet Strategies Tamil app, guys. You can view the PDF in the Neet Strategies Tamil app. Guys, those who are already in physics crash course and physics complete course for the NEET 2022, go and make sure you are watching all the most predicted videos in the last moment. So from today, from the instant you are watching this video, straight away go and watch all the most predicted MCQs chapter wise, as well as go and watch the formula revision of the difficult chapter. Okay, of your difficult chapter, go and watch at least the formula revision based videos. So that will help you in the last moment, guys. Definitely it will be helpful. And for those aspirants, those who are preparing for the next year NEET examinations, I'm also having physics complete course for the NEET 2023 in my app. So I think this video help you a lot. நினைக்கிறேன் உங்களுக்கு நிஜமா பிடிச்சிருக்குனா லைக் பண்ணுங்க, and comment down, guys, if you want the same video for chemistry. Comment down in the comment section. Definitely I will try my level best to help you. chemistry க்கு இதே மாதிரி ஒரு வீடியோ போட்டு உங்களுக்கு எவ்வளவு சீக்கிரம் போட முடியுமோ அவ்வளவு சீக்கிரம் நான் போடுறேன். and ஒவ்வொரு வீடியோ போறதுக்கு முன்னாடி என்னோட பெரிய ஹார்ட் வர்க் இதுக்கு பின்னாடி இருக்கு. ஸோ உங்களோட சப்போர்ட் எனக்கு தெரிவிக்க நினைச்சீங்கன்னா லைக் பண்ணுங்க, கமெண்ட் பண்ணுங்க, உங்களுக்கு நெக்ஸ்ட் எந்த மாதிரி வீடியோஸ் வேணும். அண்ட் ரியலி ஆல் த வெரி பெஸ்ட். இந்த வீடியோவோட டேக் ஹோம் மெசேஜ் என்னன்னா, you have to go and practice MCQs based on these topics, guys. So your prestigious white coat and stethoscope is eagerly waiting for you. So come and grab it soon, guys. So it's Sudarshan signing off from Neet Strategies in Tamil. Take care. Thank you all. Bye bye. So go and start your preparation as soon as possible, because most of the students regret that they are starting very late and they are not consistent, they are not having the proper source, and they are getting struggled to learn the physics and getting the course very, very lately and missing most crucial time. So if you are going to learn physics, means try using it. Go and watch the free trial videos, MCQs, attend the test. I have kept more tests for free, and if you like it, go and enter and start studying from now. Okay, so all the very best for your preparation.